Hi, Rico the Wedding Singer here. I'm going to teach you how to crack your back while you're on tummy using the bow stretch. In the bow stretch, all you do is lay on tummy and then bend your knees and catch your ankle. And then to crack your lower back, you push with your chin and chest against the floor. This is how it's done. So you go side to side to catch your ankle, like so, and then while you're in the bow stretch, use your chin and your chest to push against the floor, and your butt will automatically pop up, creating a crack, like so. And that's how you do it. Please consult your doctor, physician, or chiropractor. Again, I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.